Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto LARC coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this May 29th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin, $7,153, down 13.94% in the last 7 days. Overall, the markets are a sea of blood. Everyone asking when bottom. Hopefully, we are nearing the end. However, the markets are still very, very jittery, and any news stories are sending investors into a state of panic. Lots of great buying opportunities out there at the moment, though. By the way, today we're over on Coin Paprika, just one of the many alternatives to Coin Market Cap, like the interface. Scottish Crypto Clinic treats Bitcoin trading addicts. Interesting. Are you in need of the Bitcoin Crypto Clinic? Are you finding yourself staying up late at night, looking at your blockfolio? Do you tell everyone around you about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? You may have a problem. You may need the Scottish Crypto Clinic. #CryptoLife. This is an interesting story. Of course, cryptocurrencies, much like any other finance-related instrument, can lead to addiction. Gambling is a serious addiction, and a lot of people view cryptocurrencies as little more than gambling. Unfortunately, because the investment potential is really amazing, but so many people out there come in and think that they're going to 10x their money overnight, or they get that sweet 10x one time, and then they keep chasing that dragon, hoping they get the 10x again. Interesting. Great video from Naomi Brockwell. She's made a Jpop styled Bitcoin video. It's a bit of a laugh. Come over here and check it out if you're looking for a smile. The guys over at Ethereum, 1,090 dApps and 700 tokens launched in 2017. Wowzers! Currently, they say they're onboarding up to 100,000 new users into the Ethereum ecosystem every day. That is a massive number of people, and we see, of course, more and more of these dApps really starting to gain a bit of traction. So, Ethereum, time to scale, buddy. It's got to happen sooner than later, of course. On to our next story. Shipping giant Maersk deploys first blockchain-based marine insurance. Very, very interesting. They're doing this with the guys over at R3. They have 350 container vessels, and they're going to be using it to manage the risk for more than 1,000 vessels, not just their own, supporting more than 500,000 transactions in the first year. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. And I think we're going to see a lot more solutions like this. Giant companies saying, well, we can just do our own blockchain solutions. We don't actually need to use some of the companies out there that are offering these blockchain solutions. We're going to see a lot of that too, but we're also going to see a lot of this. Very cool use of the tech, of course. Mining pool of Hyundai-related blockchain platform HDAC suffers a hack. We haven't heard much about HDAC for quite a while. It was trending a bit back in December. I made a review on it. It seemed like an interesting project, except that there was just such a massive amount sold to the pre-investors. There wasn't a lot left for regular public sale investors. Haven't heard anything about it since then. And this is the first story to turn up. Of course, this is just a continuation of mining attacks. I saw some great statistics earlier today about how much hash power and how much money potentially will be required to actually attack some of these proof-of-work networks. Sometimes the numbers are shockingly low. It makes you realize that until we get massive network effect for some of these cryptocurrencies, they are in a very precarious state. Bitcoin Core is born. This is a hilarious story, and they are, of course, thanking the heavy marketing efforts of people like Roger Ver and Melissa Lee for continuing to market Bitcoin Core for them. This is a very tongue-in-cheek project without a doubt. At the same time, though, it was only a matter of time before somebody did this. Now, of course, we are just waiting for the inevitable break in the community so we can get Bitcoin Core Cash Bitcoin Core Cash is the real Bitcoin Core. No. Bitcoin Core is the real Bitcoin. No. Bitcoin Cash is the real Bitcoin. Will the real Bitcoin please stand up? Oh my goodness, this is a hilarious story. Revolut adds Bitcoin Cash and Ripple support. Very cool. This will give, of course, both of those cryptocurrencies a lot of exposure as Revolut continues to gain in popularity. Poloniex. Poloniex has introduced KYC. Many user accounts who were at first promised to be grandfathered in have actually been having their accounts frozen. Has anyone been affected by this? I'd be really keen to know. Hit me up in the comment section down below if you've been affected by what is going on over at Poloniex. I personally stopped using Poloniex quite a long time ago after a lot of different rumblings I was hearing around the internet about Poloniex in particular, not about the other exchange, but particularly about Poloniex. And so I thought, you know what, there's so many other great exchanges out there. I'm going to stay more over with Bittrex or Binance or any other ones. So, but I'd be keen to know if anybody did get hit by this situation going on and what your thoughts are on it. Coinbase, speaking of exchanges, Coinbase preparing for a monster increase in trading. Cool. They are expecting, of course, yet another massive run in the markets, and it's only a matter of time. Look at the markets, understand the cycles. We have these situations where we go up exponentially. Millions of people are going to pile in, buy the tops again. The market's going to dump. People are going to sell. And we're going to have more buying opportunities, of course. Coinbase is ready for it. And I think a lot of the major crypto exchanges will have been spending these past couple of months when things have been kind of more calm, preparing for the next big run. Because I think the last big run really caught a lot of them off guard where they were really struggling. At one point, Binance was onboarding like 1 million people in one day, I think, at one point. It's just absolutely wild. Or maybe I'm wrong on that number, but it was certainly a massive amount of people just flooding in. It's going to happen again. Just a matter of time. Zencash teaming up with the guys at Blue Frontiers on their seasteading project. Curious. Of course, Zencash is going to be offering a lot of the cryptocurrency knowledge with governance, for example. So this is a pretty interesting partnership for Zencash. You guys know I'm a little skeptical of the whole seasteading idea anyway. I'm going to be talking to It's Me Boss Lady pretty soon, and we're going to discuss the idea of seasteading a little bit. Maybe she'll convince me it's a more interesting idea than I give it credit for. However, this is a good partnership for both Blue Frontiers and for Zencash. Gives them both a lot of great exposure. Tron, the Tron founder reportedly acquiring Bit Torrent Inc. Fascinating. Tron has a lot of money right now, and their mainnet's coming up. There's so much hype around them. I think we're going to see Tron starting to acquire all kinds of little assets with all the money they've made. Exchange here, company there. What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to see a big run on Tron starting to buy up assets like Coinbase, for example, has been doing, or EOS has been doing? Of course, we'll probably see all kinds of this stuff happening with Tron, will be my thought. And finally, oh, wait, who are these guys? That's me. That's Carter Thomas. It's Crypto Bobby. It must be the NAC3 conference. This is coming up on June 23rd in San Francisco. A reasonably priced conference, only $200 for a ticket. If you're on the West Coast and you're keen to come to a crypto conference and meet some of the personalities out here in YouTube land, I'd love to see you guys there. I'm also going to be doing a ticket giveaway. I've got 4 tickets to give away, 2 sets of 2, so for you and a friend. The tickets will, of course, be free admission into the conference, but I'll also take whoever the winners are out for drinks the night before as well. Just a couple drinks, of course. I got to speak the next day, but nevertheless, I'd be really excited to see some awesome video submissions from you guys. So send any video submissions through to the cryptolark@gmail.com, and I'll choose the best submissions, or we might even give it back to the audience to choose the best video submissions. So make sure you guys get creative. The winners will be chosen in about 2 weeks. I'll get back to you with an exact date they'll be choosing the winners later on. Nevertheless, though, whether you win the tickets or not, I really hope to see you guys there in San Francisco. That would be a lot of fun, and I know I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to let me know what you think about any of today's news stories in the comment section down below. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a like on your way out. If you want to check out some more of the latest news, interviews, and reviews, videos just over here. Make sure you join the conversation over on Telegram or on Twitter as well. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.